Wagwan. You see what we doing, man. We out here finna get some good rollers in. Got my girl Iman with me. That boy True Vision right there. Matt the driver. Finna get some dope content. Yeah, you see it. Finna get some dope stuff today. Was saying I was gonna attempt wheelies. It's fun on today. It's gonna be a fun time, man. We finna get some good work in. Yes, sir. I got a little bit of pops on. This little bang ones. popped it up a little bit just now. I just couldn't pop it up. Here, my boy Rafa pulled up on the M. Y'all finna see it on the road, dude. We finna get some extra rollers. Just got done. Popped up a couple wheelies. I mean, small ones, nothing major, but I was told I have to hold the clutch a little bit more. So I'm gonna be holding in the clutch a little bit more, trying to make sure I get it right, man, and see what we do. I most definitely have to pray before this one. I'll see y'all out on the road, man. Peace.